When you call All You Need Pest Control, one of our specialists will come out, assess your concerns, and build a special program catered to your family to treat those needs.
We're going to do one big initial inside and outside service that will get rid of any active issues you may have, and then quarterly we'll come out and we'll go ahead and retreat the outside of the house with a product that's targeted for that specific season.
The day before All You Need comes out, the customer will receive a text message, email, or phone call. Our technician will then arrive and treat the interior, which will include dust treatments in the wall voids in the kitchens and the bathrooms. We'll put gel baits out as well to kill any active concerns. We'll also treat all the entry points such as windows, doors, and garage. On the outside of the house, we're going to inspect, and then we're going to treat the perimeter. We're going to do a granular base around the perimeter as well, all the soffit areas, and we'll physically sweep down any spiders and wasp nest around the house. Any lanai or pool enclosures will also physically be swept of any spider webs, and the beams will be treated thereafter.
You're going to get an email after we get done with the service. It's going to have a picture of the tech that was here, what time he got here, what time he left, what products he used. So you're going to make sure that your property is getting treated and it's getting treated properly.